Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Opening Z01 files on Windows 10 can seem confusing because, unlike typical archives, you cannot open a Z01 file directly in isolation. These files are actually segments of a larger, multi-volume archive, most commonly created by splitting a large RAR or zip file into smaller, more manageable pieces. Think of them as chapters of a book. You need all the chapters plus the cover to read the complete story. The Z01, Z02, Z03, and so on are simply sequential parts, and for successful extraction, you absolutely must have all segments, including the primary archive file, which is usually a .zip, .rar, or sometimes a .001 file. Without the complete set of files, you won't be able to access the content. The first crucial step is to ensure that every single part of the archive, from the main .zip or .rar file all the way through Z01, Z02, and any subsequent parts is located in the exact same folder on your computer. If even one segment is missing or misplaced, the extraction process will fail. Once you've confirmed all parts are present in a single directory, you'll need a robust file compression and decompression tool. While WinRAR is a popular choice, 7-zip is an excellent, free, and open-source alternative that handles a vast array of archive formats, including multi-volume RAR and zip archives like those involving Z01 files. To get 7-zip, simply open your web browser, search for 7-zip download, and navigate to the official 7-zip website. Download the appropriate version for your Windows 10 system, usually the 64-bit x64 version, and follow the straightforward installation prompts. After installing 7-zip, navigate back to the folder containing your Z01 files and the main archive. The key here is not to right-click the Z01 file itself, but rather to right-click the main archive file. This will typically be the .zip, .rar, or .001 file. Upon right-clicking the main file, you'll see a 7-zip option in the context menu. Hover over this, and you'll be presented with several extraction choices. The most common and recommended options are Extract Here, which will unpack the contents directly into the current folder, or Extract Files, which will prompt you to choose a destination folder for the extracted contents. Select your preferred option, and 7-zip will automatically detect and reassemble all the Z01, Z02, and other segments, combining them into the original, complete file or folder structure. The process may take some time depending on the size of the archive and the speed of your computer. If you encounter errors during extraction, double-check that all archive parts are indeed present and not corrupted. Sometimes, a download might be incomplete, or a file might have been damaged. If everything is in place and you still face issues, consider re-downloading the entire archive if possible. Remember, the Z01 file is just a piece of the puzzle. It's the main archive file that holds the instructions for putting all the pieces back together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.